Yeah.
Are you keeping bees?
I no. These have come from somewhere else. They've just swarmed into a box. I've got boxes here, but I keep them over. I keep them about a mile away.
Oh, so you do keep bees
I
then?
keep bees, but not here.
Have they followed you home?
No, these aren't mine.
Where have they come from?
I don't know. They could be. They could be feral. I.e., they could be come out of a chimney pot somewhere. You'd be surprised when they get tucked away.
No, we've had bees nest in our loft in the shed before.
Yeah. If they find a crack somewhere. So these are swarmed from somewhere today because it's warm. But they're not mine.
We thought at first we had so the June bugs that used to go in the tree that used to be here.
Oh right.
Generally, suddenly the June bees would come. We
Yeah.
thought at first, well, that's what it was. They've come back to the tree
No, I
that
just
used to
finished
be
my
here.
lunch and I've seen all this out here. I've got a box here that it's been stored there because I cleaned it up.
Yeah.
And they've come from somewhere. I don't know where because I don't know anybody else
Empty bee
nearby.
box.
Huh?
It's an empty bee box.
Well, it is an empty. Yeah, but it's only a small one. I just cleaned it up, and they're just stacked up. They can't get access to them because they're all stacked against each other. There's no holes on them. I meant to pick that. Actually, meant to go this morning with that, and I forgot it.
Yeah.
So that somebody else must have one nearby.